Life is a jungle. It be your own sometimes. A real dog-eat-dog world. But I hope you remember this. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. As I did say to you guys, I'm going to be working on the jungle series and we are here right now. One of the biggest things that people have been asking me to do is to do a catch and cook. So I believe there should be some fish out here in the river, so I'm going to go check that out right now. I have everything set up already. Came down, got here about 11 o'clock. I don't know how long of a challenge I intend for this one to be. I'm going for as little as 48 hours. Hopefully I get something. A quick rundown of everything. I did not bring a lot of stuff. I literally only brought a teacup, my silver teacup. That's all I brought, with a little bit of packet seasonings, a little bit of garlic, stuff like that. Only brought my little pocket knife. My machete, of course, a fishing rod, and yeah. I have no food down here whatsoever apart from the bait that I have for the fish. I'll show you guys that later on. But anyway, it's about 12 o'clock now after setting up. I need to get out there to see if I can catch some fish or something really quick. I think it's going to rain and that might affect the water levels and how the fish operate and stuff like that. So I'll catch you then. Vanilla, go. Come on. Alright, so we have gotten to the end of the waterfall, where basically it creates this pond or dam. If you look straight down there, try to see if I can zoom you guys in. See those little black things there moving around? Yeah, I saw that last time. So those are a lot of baby perch, possibly, or tilapia. So I'm guessing that there should be some bigger ones in here.
snap, I see somebody have their nets, the net line running across there. Oh man. Alright, we can work it out. Where I'm at, I'm sure I won't be able to get a good cast here, especially with those nets there. Alright, there must be another part that I can turn to. I'm gonna follow the water line, go across with the waterfalls, and I'll find something, I'm sure. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next part. This is crazy, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that little black stuff moving. Those are like little toads. It's magical. I don't really like frogs at all, but it's just cool. Every time I walk, you can see them stepping away. But anyway, I got to the side that I wanted to get to. It does seem flooded over, and yeah, the net does stretch all the way over here. Yo, look at that. It's crazy. Let's see if I can find nothing. Vanilla, what were you chasing in the water? Oh snap, look at tadpoles. Come on, sis. Vanilla apparently has found another fishing spot, so I'm gonna follow her. How the hell did this little dog get across here? Oh shoot, good job, Vanilla, I think. Yeah. Alright, Vanilla. Even here's like a nice little camping spot too. Huh. Good job, sis. Alright. Good stuff. Oh no, this dog is gone all the way over there. Do you see her? It's on the GoPro, you guys might not be able to see. Alright, let's do this. Wow. Of course it starts to rain.
Oh man, it rains so often up here. We have to abort that just for a second until the rain goes down. It goes away. This is me walking at the edge of this thing here. It got slippery. Got a pretty good fall. Boy, this shit ain't living. For me, it would have been like, all right. Oh, look at this. Oh, right on my arm. Some huge. I gotta show you guys this. It's ridiculous. Some huge prickly things. I tell you, it's huge. Right up in my hand. I had to take off like 3 of them. Wow. Vanilla was trying to come save me. I was like, yo sis, just stay back. Oh my god. No, I do not want to fall back down in that. These things, these some porcupine things that's on these palms. Yo. Anyway. I'm definitely not coming out this side because that was too fun. Too freaking fun. I don't like that much fun. Oh god. I'm gonna show you what I tried to hold on to. These things here, you see that? These things, try to hold on to it. Like 5 of them ran right up in my hand, so I had to pull those out. But anyway, I know I said no food, but what I have with me here, this is just bait for the fish. White bread, not even white bread, bread in general. Tilapia tend to like that, so bread is what I'm going with. All right, when I get back to the camp, I'll just devise my plan, tell you guys what I plan to do in order to get rid of all of this issue that I'm overcoming. This is what solo camping is all about, ain't it? It's not easy. All right, here could easily be my water source because it rains a lot here. That's a lot of water. Just clean the top off a little bit. Let's just show you guys proof. I know some people might think I was messing around. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but this is a small one. I told you I pulled out like at least some that were like an inch deep into my hand, yo. All right. Yeah, I did fail to mention I have no water. So, ooh. That's also a part of the challenge. No food, no water. Whatever I can catch on my tarp. I did bring a bottle though, so I can use that. Yo, the amount of rainwater that I got already. It's ridiculous. No. Ooh. Yo, and the rain is even falling that hard. Look how much water am I getting. All right, so definitely want to align my tarp a little bit, a little bit better. So I'm gonna be making some slight adjustments. All right, now so we have adjusted the tarp so you have a steady flow of water whenever I need it. So whenever it rains, it should be raining here every day for the next 2 days, so shouldn't have an issue there. All right. Wow, I did tell you guys I'm gonna come back and, you know, drop some info as to what I'm gonna be doing at this point on. So yeah, things aren't going exactly as planned, and that's what it is like being out here. Walking on the side of that little cliff thing, it's not that high, it's maybe like 7-8 feet. I knew if I slipped I would fall into the water, which was okay, but I never predicted holding on to a bunch of porcupine stuff. That was painful. But to be quite honest, life is pain, and it takes these pains that allow you to grow and you heal from it. It's like broken bones, they mend stronger. But as I'll always tell you guys, when you're out here, just make observations of your resources, everything that you have. Yeah, I used to love watching National Geographic when I was a kid. So when I walked to the other side just to check if I could cast over there, I did see like a bamboo raft thing that was made. So I think I'm gonna borrow that. As soon as I'm sure that the rain has eased up and it's good and clear, I'm gonna hop onto that if it's safe, and I'm just gonna drop my line somewhere out in the middle of the water and see if I can catch something. Right now that seems to be the best plan. Now some of you might be wondering, why am I going for that particular approach? When you cast the line, you know it's bread, and bread is not going to really stay onto the hook so well. I can dig and find for worms, but that's going to be like my last resort. Yeah, the bread melts off after a time. When you're pulling back the line in, the hook will catch into the fisherman's nets. That's very humbugging, so that's why I'm opting for this option right now. What I'll do until the rain eases off, maybe I'll jump into the water, have some fun, I don't know, something that's low energy, because I am getting hungry. I did eat from about 9 o'clock and the time is now 1:28. Oh my gosh, what are these trees? Just stepped on it. I know I probably stepped on it. It seems like, yeah, I really didn't, but there we go. Wow. Now I just have to remember that you are right here. And I'll leave you be. I don't like pulling up stuff that are like at the river edge or the river bank, primarily because the root system helps to keep the river in place. So if I don't have to remove it, I'm not going to remove it. I won't die. The water was so clear till I messed it up. Alright. This water is brick. Oh my gosh, yo. Alright.